No. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? Today's video is one I am super excited about. I don't know about y'all, but if you can tell by the title, you already know what it is. So let me just shut up and get right to it. Alright, so as you can tell in the title, this is all about Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. If you don't know who Jaclyn Hill is, she's a YouTuber here on YouTube. She honestly was the first person that I started watching. One of my best friends introduced me to her, and I was hooked ever since then. That's how my love for makeup started. But I've been watching her for a long time, and she always collabed with Morphe, and I don't know if she's had any other collabs, but I definitely know she's had some with Morphe, and I've had all of those. So when I found out that she was coming out with her own cosmetic line herself, I was super excited. I knew it was going to be good things. She launched originally, I think it was 2019, but there was this whole controversy, and it was just so much to it. But she actually took a break and she came back. So now she launched these items, and it is 2021. So you know we've been waiting for something from her. So I'm excited to open this up. She did Valentine's Day mystery box, and I believe there was 4 of them. But let me tell you, so I was trying to get the big box that had everything in it, and I was on there at like, I think it was 1 o'clock our time or 12 o'clock our time, but I was there like 10 minutes beforehand. I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna stay here and just like be online. Well, I was in line already at like 57, 50, no, I think it was 57. And I was like, oh, it went live, boom. So I put this stuff in my cart, and I was like ringing everything out, and then it sold out. Like, how the hell is it gonna sell out before the launch time? Like I said, it was like 57 or 58, and it was already sold out. Like, what the hell? I was so pissed. Oh, let me tell you, I was so pissed, because if it's in the cart, like, it should already be yours. I don't understand how they can take it out of your cart while you're in line putting your information in. So I don't know. Hopefully they try to figure that out better for the next launch, but I wasn't able to get the big one. So then I tried getting the second big one. Same thing happened. Shit sold out. Tried to get the third one. Shit sold out. So then finally I got this bad boy right here, which was the $25 one, which I did still want some of her stuff. So I'm still glad I got to get something, but I was disappointed that I wasn't able to get everything. But I actually didn't even look inside, but here is what the box looks like. So it just says Jaclyn, has the little paper in there, and then I'll show you the box. So here is the box right here. It is super cute. It says Jaclyn, and it has a whole bunch of like question marks, and it has the red like ombre. I think it's super cute. Like I said, I got the $25 one, so let's open her right up. I'm super excited. I did already see sneak peeks, so I already kind of know what it is, but we gonna act like I don't know. It's okay. I'm still super excited. Ooh. So here is what they look like. Here is the 4 items. So it just has the little scrunchy stuff, you know, like from Easter and stuff. And here are the 4 items. So this was, I believe, Loved Lipstick. What the heck was this one called? Let me see. This one was called Lip Locked Surprise Set. So like I said, it was $25, and it came with 3 liquid lipsticks and then 1 gloss. So I'm super excited to see. I love this packaging. I love the black and red. I think that's super pretty. Red is one of my favorite colors. And then of course, whoop, dropping shit already. And then of course it just says Jaclyn Hill. So I'll tell you the names of them, and then we'll open them up. So it looks like the names are Boy Bye, Committed, Clingy, and 24 Karat. So it looks like the 24 Karat is the gloss, and then these 3 right here are the liquid lips. So let's open them right up. First one is Boy Bye. Ooh, so here is how the packaging is looking. Super sleek. It has the red cap, of course, and then it says Jaclyn. And then does it say it on the bottom? Yep. So it does say the name on the bottom as well. This is a super pretty color. It's like a dark reddish tone. I mean, I think they were all supposed to be red, but it's like a darker brick color. Is that the right one? I don't even know if that's the right word for it. But it's a darker red. And then the next one is Committed. Looks. Ooh, so here is more. In person, it looks more of like a true red. On camera, it kind of looks like a cherry red. But same thing, red packaging, and same thing on top. Or not on top, right here. But here is the second one. And then the third one is Clingy. Ooh, so this one's more of like a orangey type red. Super pretty, perfect for summertime. Like I said, I love this packaging. I love the red. It's super sleek. It's super, I don't know, it's just simple, but it's still nice at the same time. So there is the three. Let me put them all right next to each other. So as you can tell, it's like the true red, the darker red, and then the orangey red, which I love all of these reds, to be honest with you. So I'm excited to try them. I think I'm going to do lip swatches at the end of the video for sure. And then here is the gloss. So this one is called the 24 Karat. Ooh. So I don't really wear gloss all that much. I'll be completely honest with you. But I do like her every once in a while. I do like to throw on a gloss. And this one is super gorgeous. Sorry for that. This one is super gorgeous. It's like a glittery gold, like a true gold color. Let's see. Oh, I didn't even open the other ones. I should open the other ones too. Ooh, brand new. So that's just how the little dofa looks like for the gloss. And then let me go back to one of the liquid lipsticks. So here is how the dofa looks. Kind of has like a dip, but do they smell? Ooh, that smells good. That smells fruity. And then this one, let me see if this one has any scent. Ooh, it's like a mint. It's mint, but like sweet with it, if that makes sense. But this smells good too. But here are all 4 of the items. And like I said, this mystery box was $25. So worth it. I mean, these are all full-size items. I absolutely love liquid lipstick. I love the color red. And even though I don't use gloss all that much, I will still use this. It's one of those colors I can use with anything. So I'll definitely try that out. But here are all 4 of the items. I really like them. I can't wait to see how the formula is. So let me shut up and get right to the lip swatching portion. All right, so that was all the swatches, and let me tell you, my lips are dry. I can feel them. I could feel them dry. They are like needing moisture. I need to take off this liquid lip and put some moisture back into my lips. But let me tell you, this formula is really good. Very lightweight. It doesn't feel like you have anything on your lips. Super comfortable. I love the way that they're pigmented. They are really good liquid lips so far. Like, of course, you gotta test it out and see how it goes throughout the day. But first impression, I really like the formula. And the colors are gorgeous. This is probably my favorite one. This one is Committed, which is the more true red, which I kind of figured that that one was going to be my favorite because I do love just a true blue base red. I think they are so gorgeous, and it goes with everyone, to be honest with you. So this is definitely my favorite, but I do love these two as well. Like, the darker color was super pretty. This orangey red is super pretty too. This is more for like summertime, at least in my opinion. And then for the gloss, I did really like this formula. Not really a gloss person all that much. I wear it every now and then, but I really did like it. It was not sticky. It wasn't goopy. It wasn't anything like that. It felt really nice on the lips. So I do appreciate that. So I do really love these products. I do think that this box was worth it. All the formulas were great. All the colors were great. The pigment was great. And I got all of this for $25, which is such a steal. Let me tell you, that is such a steal. So I'm super glad that I did end up getting some of her products. And I'm really excited for her brand to see what's to come. Alright guys, so that concludes everything in this video. I surely hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to definitely subscribe and also ring that notification bell. So every time I upload a video, you will definitely be notified. And also, don't forget to follow my socials, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my IG, my TikTok. It is the Jams2535, so definitely catch me there. And then also, please follow my business page. It is the Jazzy Jewels on Facebook and Instagram. I'm in that glitter world of cups and earrings and all that jazz, so definitely look me out there. And I think that's it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!